So how did we do a $1,000 an hour job today, even with Rick here coming in? Even while we were trying to build a truck, DJ got an emergency call to go out and do a $1,000. It took us 1 hour to do an emergency oil cleanup. And so that is what you can do as a pressure washer. Now, is this something that you're going to get every day? No, it is not, but it is something that as you start growing a business. And how did he get a $1,000 an hour job? Well, he does Google Guarantee. Yes, Google Guarantee, he does Google Guarantee. And by doing Google Guarantee, he is getting jobs and he's making that happen. And the biggest thing with Google Guarantee is you got to make sure that you answer your phone, because if you do not answer your phone, you will not get the Google Guarantees no more. They will quit calling you. So this is the job that we show you here. Basically what we did is we put some sodium hydroxide down, or some, whatever you want to call sodium hydroxide, soda beads, or some different things of whatever you want to call it. We downstreamed it, and then next, as you will see, we did the pressure washing, and then we let that, we downstreamed the sodium hydroxide on the driveway, and then from there we let that sit. But this was $1,000. We got there at 4 o'clock and we left at 4:55. 55 minutes, $1,000. It wasn't quite $1,000 because they found out that their budget on their credit card or the job PO is only $1,000. So the job ended up being $996. $996. So that is how you can get these big jobs. The biggest key is you got to make sure you answer your phone. If you didn't answer the phone, someone else will. And when you don't answer the phone, guess what happens? You do not make money. And so, as you will see, this is a job that they had to end up doing the garage because they pulled into the garage. And what this was is they had a hydraulic line blow. There were some power lines above, and they had a hydraulic truck blow. And it blew it, and it blew all over the driveway. And they thought they were going to have to replace the driveway, but no, we were able to get it clean for them, so that way they could be happy and move on and keep on going. So that is how you can get a $1,000, $996 to do pressure washing. Now, do you get this every day? Nope. But can you get it? Yes. I always hear people tell me, you can't get that in my area. Well, are you trying? Do you know what their budget is? Do you know what you can do to get it? That's what you can do to be able to get to your $1,000 a day. You want $1,000 a day? Well, you can do $1,000 an hour. So awesome. Hopefully, as you watch this video, you learn something and you'll be able to take action. Do Google Guarantee. Google Guarantee is pretty easy. It's not rocket science. Basically, you just go fill out your information. You have to do your background check. You'll have to do your insurance verification. You got to have at least 3 5-star reviews. You need to put your pictures on there, and you need to set your budget, and you need to do your area. And that is how you can do Google Guarantee and get a $1,000 job. And with that, hope you learned something. If you would like for some more information about building a pressure washing rig like this one, go check out this playlist right here, and I'll show you how to build this whole truck from start to finish.